welcome to Toddler Crafts at the National Marine Aquarium. My name is Summer and I run the Toddler Tuesday sessions here at the aquarium. Really good fun, we do loads of crafts, it's really amazing. Now today we're going to do some crafts of our own using things that you might have around your home. So we're going to start off and we're going to make an eel. Now eels are really cool, they're quite slimy and a lot of eels have two sets of teeth. So they've got a set of teeth in their mouth, a set of jaws in their throat, which comes up to grab their food and pull it down, which is really amazing. Now today we're going to make an eel mobile, which should look a little bit like this one here. So you can attach a little bit of string to it, and you kind of floats up and down, which is really cool. Alright, now this craft is really simple. So here I've drawn a lovely spirally shape. Alright, a lovely little circle in the middle, so that's going to be his head. Now, simply, all we do is using our scissors, obviously make sure you grab an adult to help you out, we're just going to be cutting our lovely eel out. Alright. Have our little eel shape all cut out. Now what we need to do lastly is simply just draw the eyes on. So, 1, 2. And there we have, if you'd like to attach a little bit of string to it, then we have our little eel mobile. Feel free to decorate it however you'd like. Cool, so that is the end of our crafts. Keep an eye on this page for any new updates. We'd love to see what you guys get up to, so do post a photo below so we can see what you're getting up to at home. And from everyone here at the National Marine Aquarium, please do stay safe and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.